For you to be able to create links such as this one, like for example, once you click on a link such as for products, you'll be able to take you to the products sheet. Then the services link, it will take you to the services sheet, the sales to the sales sheet, and then the total sales, the total sales sheet. So this is what you're going to do. First, let's copy this, the title, the table titles. Let's copy them, copy and paste them there. Double click here to expand. Then let's also copy the name, the sheet names, paste them there. Then let's insert the borders. So here we're going to learn how we can be able to create a link using a master sheet so that it will be able to open for us all sheets on our workbook. So the formula is right equal sign, then you type hyperlink, open the brackets. Then here we're going to click on this feature, which is the insert function feature. Click on it. It will be able to open for us the function arguments. You have two, the link location and the friendly name. So we're going to insert the link location for the products, so that we can be able to create the link for the products sheet. So we're going to type, starting with the double quotes, then hash, a single quote, then you write the name of our sheet, which is products. In this case, we're going to use products as the name of the sheet, which is right here, and it's also the same as the one which is down here. So products, then you single quote, exclamation mark. Then we're going to insert now the cell that is going to be selected once you click our link. So we're going to use cell A1. Going to use cell A1. And with a double quote. Then that's going to be our link location. Then we're going to insert now the friend name. Friend name is just used as an identifier. So we're going to use products. Products is going to be our in short, you can use a friend name. You can just use the name of your sheet, of your worksheet. So it's going to use, let's use products. Then you can click OK. So after doing so, once you click on this to be able to create for you a link, when you click on it, it will be able to open for us the products sheet. Then we're going to create another one on services. Then after that, we're going to copy paste on other sheets. So we're going to use equal sign, so that the first formula we've used direct value. Then the second one we're going to use now the cell reference. So write equal sign, type hyperlink, open the brackets. Now we're going to type, you start with the double quotes, hash, then a single quote, then a double quote again, then use ampersand sign. Then after ampersand, we're going to insert now the cell reference that we need to use. So we need to use the cell for services, which is cell F5. You click on it, then again you insert ampersand sign, then you insert a double quote and a single quote, single quote, exclamation mark so that you can be able to insert the cell that is going to be selected, which is the cell that is going to be opened once you click on the link. So you are going to use cell A1, then you close with double quote, comma, then you insert now the cell name of the cell that is going to or the name of the sheet that is going to open, which is still cell F5 for services, and then you close the brackets and click enter, so that once you click on this services link, it will be able to open for us the services link. After doing so, you copy and paste, or you autofill this other sheets. So we have this link for services, then we have a link for sales, then the last one have a link for total sales. Nice. So here let's copy these two formulas and paste them somewhere so that you can be able to refer. Copy them. Let's copy them there. Copy and paste them. Just for reference. So here we have our first formula, which is this one. This is the one that we're referring to it as the direct value formula. Then the second one, we are referring to it as the cell reference formula. We only use cell reference without the direct name of our cells or the direct name of our sheets. So now you can be able to see that every time when you click on a link, let's say the product link, it will be able to take us to the product link, but there is no any other way that we can click on, let's say, a link to take us back to the master sheet. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a link that will be able to take us back to the master sheet. So we go to the products here. So we're going to write we're going to use the direct value formula for us to be able to create a link to take us back to the master sheet. So you start every formula, you always start with an equal sign, then write the word hyperlink, open the brackets, then here we're going to start with a double quote, and then hash, a single quote. Then you're going to write now the name of our sheet which we need to open, which is our master sheet. Master sheet, single quote, an exclamation mark. Then you're going to insert now a cell which we need to, once we click on our link, it will be able to open, which is cell A1. Then insert a double quote, comma, double quote again. Now we are going to quote the friendly name that is going to be used. So let's just say M, letter M, for master. Then you can write the word M sheet. Then you end with a double quote. Then end you close the brackets. Then you click enter. So here you'll be able to have a link that every time when you click on it, it will be able to take us back to the master sheet. So click on products, and you can make it big and large so that it is easier to navigate through, double click for it to fit, and you can use Arial Black. Nice. So what you're going to do, so that every time when you click on this link, it will be able to take us back to the master sheet where we have other links. So we are going to copy this column and paste to all other sheets that we need to link to our master sheet. Paste. Then we have here, also paste there, then also paste there. Nice. So while on this total sales sheet, you can just click on M sheet. It will take you back to where we have our links. Then every time you click on sales, you can always click on the link for M sheet, so that it can be able to take us back to the master sheet where we all have all the links for all the sheet on our workbook. So this is simply how you can be able to link every worksheet to a master sheet in Excel.